Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making abacha. These are some ingredients we'll be needing: some crayfish, garden egg, onions, lotus leaf, and apata, and so on. Okay, let's start. I will begin by unwrapping the abacha. Once I'm done, I will wash it. Yay, I'm done. It's washed and all. In a pot, add palm oil and some onions, crayfish, alpaca, garlic egg, sliced garlic egg, some salt, pepper. Once done, just mix everything in, let it be fully coated, and gradually add in the abacha little by little. Now I'm done with that. I'll just add in little seasoning cube and put that on fire for 3 to 5 minutes. Adding the fish. So we'll be adding in the smoked fish. The reason we added in the smoked fish later on, it's so not to overcook it. So just add it in later. It's even preferable and it's best to add it at the end of the meal. Once you're done with that, go in with your utazi leaf and some water and keep stirring. Don't stop. Keep stirring till everything is properly mixed. Lastly, I'll add in the garden egg. That's it. We are done. Let's see how the meal turned out. The meal turned out awesome. It was so tasty and it's also a very simple meal to prepare. You can try it out for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.